Hello everybody, this is Frank Estrada, and in this video we're going to be talking about single commission affiliate marketing versus affiliate marketing for entire ecosystems. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about single commission affiliate marketing versus affiliate marketing for ecosystems, okay? But before I get into that, make sure that you push on that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so y'all get notified whenever I make new videos for all of y'all, okay? So talking about affiliate marketing, it's important to understand what, first of all, affiliate marketing is, right? And basically, you get paid for the referrals that you make, recommendations that you make, and every time there is a sale made, you make a commission. So it is performance-based commissions is what you end up getting, all right? So if you become very knowledgeable in a certain subject and then you start recommending that certain product or service to other people, if there's a sale made, then that's when you would make your money, your commissions. So it's similar to if you were to recommend a certain restaurant to somebody and say that person goes to that restaurant and they pull up a $50 tab with all the food and drinks that they end up having. If you were to make $10 from that tab, that is similar to what affiliate marketing is. You get paid to promote other people's products and other people's services. Your job as the affiliate marketer is to just make sure that you connect the right person with the right solution. And that is the right approach to take whenever you're doing affiliate marketing, because the one thing that you need to have in mind is, what is it that my customer is trying to get to, and what is the best solution for them? Because these products and services are not necessarily products and services, but they are solutions to things. Just like if you were to be traveling out of town and you got thirsty, you stopped by a gas station and you bought a bottle of water. Try not to think of it as, I bought a bottle of water, but rather think of it as, I bought a solution to my thirst. So it's always important to keep in mind these are solutions for people, and the more people you help get solutions, the more commissions that you're going to be getting, and the more better of a reputation that you're going to be having, and people are going to start looking for you to see what other recommendations that you have. Now, the problem that I see with affiliate marketing, and I love affiliate marketing. I think it's a great model to make a good full-time online income. But nonetheless, the problem that I see with affiliate marketing is that a lot of times you might connect traffic with a certain offer, a certain product, and yes, there might be a sale made, but once that sale's made, you're done. So you really only made one commission out of that whole cycle. What would be even better is to find entire ecosystems to where when you send somebody to a certain company, there's a whole suite of problems that they could be purchasing from. They could purchase books, they could purchase classes, they could purchase software, they could purchase, just so many different things, as opposed to just sending somebody to buy, whatever kitchen utensil to help them out, with their cooking needs. It is so much better to find a company that has an entire suite of products that you could make multiple commissions from, and recurring multiple commissions. And that's where a value ladder comes in place. Okay, the value ladder always starts with your least expensive product. It could be something free, or it could be something extremely low cost, but that's how you get somebody in the door to that company. Say for example, if a restaurant is having a free appetizers on Thursday nights, or a free upgrade on whatnot on your drinks, on Friday nights, that is their low cost appetizer to help you get in the door. And it's the same thing with affiliate marketing. So you can start off in your value ladder. You can start off with your low ticket or free offer. Then you could upgrade them to something just a little bit more expensive, then more expensive, and so on. And so whenever you refer people to these companies that have an entire suite of products, That's when you can ascend people up their value ladder. Take for example the company Apple. Okay, Apple is big mega company. They have a lot of value. They have a lot of products, but they start off with maybe somebody just buying like an iPod, okay? Then they might go to an iPhone, then maybe an iMac, then a MacBook Air, then a desktop Mac, and then so forth and so on. But not only that, but they also have a whole bunch of products that they could subscribe to also. iTunes Music, movies, podcasts that they sell, episodes, all those different things are multiple sources of income that they're using to generate streams of income from all over the place. And it's the same thing with affiliate marketing. So if you were to find a company that helps you to sell an entire suite of products and have revolving, recurring, multiple commissions happening all the time, well, that's how you can build true wealth, because you can have an income stream coming this way, coming from here, coming from there. And when you put all those things and you funnel your commissions into one central account, well, then now you're starting to generate, true wealth. And another thing, when you're talking about affiliate marketing, it's extremely important to be building up an email list. Sometimes with affiliate marketing, when you just send somebody to an offer, and if there's a sale made, that's great. But how are you going to let your customers know about any future offers that you're going to have, or any future recommendations that you're going to have? Well, that's where you get it in an email list. And so the first thing you want to do with any offer is to develop an email list. When you set up people to an ecosystem and you start sending different emails to them, at some point they're going to end up buying one of those products. And after they buy that initial product, it's going to be easier to buy the second product, the third product, so forth and so on. That's why it's important to have an ecosystem, something revolving, something recurring that you can participate in, so that you end up increasing your streams of income even with this one company. Because let's say you can make money from the software, from the books, from the virtual classes, from the private coaching, from the mastermind group, all these different things. You can clump them together and increase your revenue that way, rather than just simply sending someone to an affiliate offer and making the one-time commission. Okay, guys, so that's all I have for now. I hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all next time. Take care. Bye.